Imagine showcasing your video like this. My friend, this will bring you customers more than you can imagine. Just look at it. Look at all this kind of video. This is what you are going to learn how to do with one AI. You are going to use one AI to turn your product into this kind of videos in a moment. Let me show you how you can achieve this. Just come to your browser and type Whiskey AI, and the website will open up like this. Then click here on add. All right, once you click here, it will open up for you to add image. Then click here on this box, click on it. Are you seeing it? Open up like this. Click on it, you say yes, accept. Then it will open up where you are going to add image. So you now add the image of the product you want to use. So this is it. I want to do this video for this canvas. Okay, so you add it in this place. You can combine two images here. You can combine two images to use. So I click on this down box and I add another image of this canvas, so that it will be two canvas. Instead of using one canvas, I am using two canvas for this video. That's how you are going to do it. Animate all the images you want to use for your video, one after the other. So after the animation, after turning the images to video, this is what you get. Yes, this is our video. See it. Let me play it with sound, with movements, sound effects. All right, based on your prompt, based on what you tell it to do. So what do you think about this video? Leave a comment on the comment section. Are you going to try it out for your product? If you're a business owner, you don't have this time, then contact me. I'll do this kind of video for businesses and brands in a very good price. Okay, just contact me. Let's run the deal. You must make good business on this Christmas. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow for more product videos like this. Bye. See you in my next video. Peace out.